Hello students, welcome back to class. Today I am going to explain lesson number 2 from your textbook, that is file management, in that organization of data. Content, file, types of files, file formats and file operations. First is introduction. Data is processed in a computer to produce meaningful results known as information. Means user will input data using input device. The computer will process the input data and it will give the meaningful result. The meaningful result we will call it as a information. Information may be in the form of text, audio or video. Information is stored in any storage device with a specific name called file. What name you will give while saving time, that name we will call it as a file. Classification of files. In the files, mainly there are three types. First one, ordinary file. Second one, folder file or directory file. Third one, special purpose file. In that, first one is about ordinary file. These files refers to temporary files that are created for general purposes. Means they remain on the storage device until the purpose is completely solved. And also, as soon as the requirement is over, these files are deleted from the storage devices. Example, notepad files, wordpad files, etc. While typing HTML file, HTML document, you will type using a notepad files. After the saving, after the execution of the file, the notepad file will be converted into any browser document. This is an example of ordinary file. Second type of file is about directory file or folders. This refers to files that are available in a folder. Means whenever we have to store information, the folder can be created that contains files having the related information. Example, if you are typing a MS Word document, you will save it. After the saving, the Word document will be saved like one folder. Whatever the user will use, user created documents will be called as a directed file or folders. Example, MS Word, MS Excel document, MS Excel files, MS PowerPoint files, etc. Third type of file is special purpose file. These are some files available on a computer storage which are not created by the user. These files are automatically transferred to the storage while installing the system. These files are used to control various activities of the computer system. Example, command.com, autoexec.bat, etc. These files are not created by the user, by the system. Defaultly it will install in your computer. Next is file formats. A file name contains two parts. First part is a primary name, second part is extension. Primary name is given by the user, extension is based on the file type. Look at the syntax, file name dot extension. Example, file name abc dot extension is docx, means the file type is document type, it is a text document, so the extension is docx. Here, some well-known file extensions along with the types are listed. First one, .docx, means it is MS Word document file. Next, .xls means MS Excel spreadsheet file. .ppt means MS PowerPoint slide. .gif means graphics interface file. Next, .pdf means it is a portable document format. .psd means Adobe Photoshop. Next, .mp4 means it is a music file. Next is about file operations. You know that a file contains specific information, means final result. We can perform some operations on a file, means you can edit it, you can modify it, whatever. Some fundamental operations on files are viewing data, moving a file, playing a file, copying a file and deleting a file. First is about viewing a file. You have stored a file named Flash Celebration in a F drive. Now you want to view the file to edit or modify it. Step 1. Select and double click on a My Computer icon on a desktop. After that you will get like this screen. The Flash Celebration document is present in F drive. So select and double click on F drive. It will display all the files and folders present in a F drive. Next, step 3. Select and double click on the file Flash Celebration. The data content of a file will be displayed to our viewing. Like this. The file will be displayed like this. Next is about copying a file. Copying a file means making a duplicate copy of a document. In Windows system, this task is known as copy and paste. Purpose of copying. If an original file gets corrupted or deleted due to any reason, then the copy of the file can be easily obtained to meet our requirement. Files can be copied from one storage area to another area depending upon the user need. The file will be copied from source to destination. Source means it is a drive from where a file is to be copied. Next is destination. It is a drive in which a file is to be copied. Source means from where you are going to take the copy and destination means where you will paste the copy. Copying a file is similar to that. It is same as a copy and paste. Thank you students. Have a nice day.